The Pixel 7 Pro is at the top of Google's flagship lineup of smartphones and offers some of the most premium Android experiences. However, it is nowhere close to perfect. Some Pixel 7 Pro users are now reporting severe screen-related issues where it flickers or flashes a green color repeatedly. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. It starts off slow, but the screen may suddenly start going black, forcing users to restart their phone. Even after that, the issue pops up after some time. For some, the problem only occurs when they're trying to charge their phone with a wire or wirelessly. Apparently, this is the beginning of the end as the issues only get more persistent from here. Fortunately, some are getting screen replacements either directly from Google or are getting sent to third-party repair shops like Ubreak iFix for a free screen replacement. According to Ubreak iFix employee, there was a copper component touching something it wasn't supposed to in one of the units. However, we cannot be sure if this is the thing causing the green screen flickering issue. Google is yet to officially acknowledge the issue. We hope they provide some clarity to the users in the future. We'll update an article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.